South Korean consumer electronics giant Samsung is all set to launch a new Galaxy device, about which the company has tweeted for the date of October 11th. Welcome back to QatNip, and today we have a small little news flash for you, especially for those who are Samsung lovers. So come on, let's learn together. The invite shared has an image with 4x fun written on it, and the caption says, "Let the fun times begin." Going by the invite, it seems that the company is planning to launch a new series of smartphones with 4 cameras. In an official invite, the company said, "Samsung's newest device is bringing more ways to express yourself than ever before. Capture the fun with Samsung," as the company celebrates the launch of the new device with a Galaxy event on October 11th, 2018. The event will be live streamed on the official website of Samsung. It will be the first time when Samsung will be introducing 4 cameras in a smartphone. It is expected that the company might launch the Samsung Galaxy A 2018 edition with a triple camera setup, and one of the camera at the back is said to have a 32 megapixel sensor. So that would be it for this news flash, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.